So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with an absolutely crazy video. Just look behind me. We have got a 900 brake horsepower Mitsubishi Evo 8. We've got spicy fuel in the tank and we're taking it for a spin. Guys, stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be sick. Let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. Guys, if you're not aware by now, I'm pretty sure you all are. I'm giving away my pride and joy. Can't even believe it. One of the UK's craziest street cars. 1,300 brake horsepower on race fuel, 1,100 brake horsepower on pump fuel, over £100,000 worth of modifications alone to get it to this state. This is crazy. In fact, I would even go as far as saying one of the craziest cars to hit a UK raffle so far. And for £2.49, it could be yours. If you're worried about taxing, insuring, keeping and running costs, well, we're doing a £100,000 tax-free cash alternative. Guys, don't miss this one. I don't even know if there's tickets left, but if there is, check the links below, go over to Level Up Giveaways and grab a ticket. Grab two. Tell your mum, tell your auntie, tell everyone. And guys, you could be driving away with this car very, very soon. Let's get back to the video. Jamie, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
Bro, it's been a long time, and in fact, I'm surprised you haven't been on the channel any sooner.
Yeah, it has. It's been, yeah, I mean, we've been working with you for, what, 5 years now? Probably,
Yeah, thereabouts, yeah. And you've always been here. Guys who
hiding in the background.
Yeah, lurking around in the background. You're a tech here at Devil Developments, yes. Along with Ben and a few other guys. And today, now, we're talking about this crazy Evo, which isn't your car, but you've done some work too, and it's your friend's car, right?
Yes, yeah, so it's a good friend of mine, Will's car. He built the car all himself. I mean, he doesn't work on cars for a living. He's a ground worker. He's done an amazing job with the car. He built the engine himself. Pretty much everything apart from a few little fabrication bits like the exhaust and the boost pipes, which I did. Basically, I've had the car back this time because he's gone up a size in turbo. It did have a Precision 6466 on it.
Okay, cool.
We've stepped it up now to a Zona 9569S,
okay.
which is sort of 6870 precision sized. The aim for the car is 1,000 horsepower.
Okay.
We've came into a couple of little minor issues when we started tuning it just before Christmas, mainly because of the postal strikes. We got done over with some spark plugs that didn't turn up in time. So yeah, where we are at the moment with the car, it's just around 900 horsepower, just under.
Which is crazy.
On Renegade.
Oh, and that's on racial, isn't it? E112,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
Today we're running it on E112.
Today we're on the race fuel that we finished up mapping it with just before Christmas. So this is going to be the full 900 horsepower, 2.6 bar boost.
Wicked. On this dyno, on its previous setup before this new setup, which has never been filmed before, it made how much?
So it made 760. He brought the car down last summer just on a dyno day, put some ethanol in it, and just to see how it was, and it made 760 at like 45% ethanol.
Got ya.
So yeah, a little bit lower than everyone thought the car was from when it was first built, but you know,
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
We're like 150, 200 horsepower up from there now. Which is obviously the main thing we're aiming for. But well, hopefully sometime soon we'll be pushing it a little bit further, trying to get to 4 digits with it.
Yeah. Well, that's absolutely crazy because right now it's over 200 brake horsepower per cylinder, and it's still a 2 litre.
It's still a 2 litre, yeah. It's a fully built engine, billet crank, pistons, rods, all valve train, cams, pretty much everything you can throw into a 4G63 whilst still keeping a cast block. So
she must rev quite high too then?
Yeah, it's revving to just under 9,000 at the moment. But yeah, it's being a 2 litre with such big turbo, it's quite laggy. It doesn't really start doing much until about 5,000 RPM.
Okay.
So that's why we need the revs with it. I believe the manifolds from a company called STM in America, so it's based around a drag racing setup.
Got you.
But yeah, it's got a full 4-inch exhaust, 3.5-inch boost pipes. We've got the Magnus inlet manifold, got vibrant clamps the whole way throughout it, so there's not a Jubilee clip or silicon hose anywhere the whole way through it.
What management is it on?
It's running a Cyvex S7.
Ah, okay,
which we had Cyvex actually make us a bespoke adapter loom because they do the plug and play board for the Evo platform, but because we wanted to add in lots of extra sensors like fuel pressure, oil pressure, flex fuel, that sort of thing, we got them to make a full adapter loom to make it a bit easier for adding all the extra wiring into it.
Epic. And tuned by the legend that
it's tuned by Remain,
Remain from Racecal. Okay, cool. In terms of like gearbox, it can't be a standard box, can it?
Believe it or not, this is still running a stock 5-speed Evo gearbox.
What?
It's got a twin plate clutch in it, but yeah, the gearbox itself is a unopened stock 5-speed Evo box at the moment.
They're good for that kind of power?
It is. I mean, Will doesn't launch the car. He doesn't take it to drag strips, anything like that, which is what's going to put some real strain on it. But yeah, for road use, when you're sort of rolling on from second gear upwards, it's held on for 1.5 years so far. So I mean, there's going to come a point where it's going to have had enough, but at the moment it's okay. It's still there. Yeah.
What about the full drivetrain? Was everything else transfer box? Everything standard?
It's got a standard ACD transfer box at the moment. And centre diff. It's got a RS rear diff, I believe, that you got over from the States. But yeah, I mean, stuff like prop shaft, drive shafts, they're all just standard off-the-shelf Evo stuff at the moment. So.
Well, guys, I think that's pretty much it. I'm not going to lie to you, I didn't even know if I was filming this car today. So we're just randomly going to go out in this car. I've only got one GoPro, luckily. So we're going to go out, we're going to have some fun and see what it's about. Jamie, you've never actually drove this car on kill, have you?
I drove it on the previous setup, but since it's been tuned, we tuned it like a week before Christmas. So obviously the weather was, not the right weather for this. It's been driven up the road to, do some road, drivability stuff, but it's not really been brought on boost on the road at all since it's been tuned. So yeah,
it's going to be interesting for both of us.
Yeah. It's going to be, it's going to be a fun little drive, I think.
Wicked, man. All right, well, nothing left to do but go for a spin.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. So we're out in the car today. As I say, this is just so like improvised. We're gonna go for our first pulls right now. High boost, no messing around. First time Jamie's felt high boost. Yeah. First time this Jamie felt high boost. 2.6 bar.
2.6 bar high boost should be.
Okay.
Right, so we've got a stretch coming up.
Okay. Mate, I'm nervous.
I'm nervous as well. Yeah.
The smell of the fuel too is crazy.
Right. Okay.
So third gear. Is that full throttle?
That's full throttle.
Full throttle, okay.
That's fast.
Bro, I can't believe the build-up.
Yeah.
That is what you got, bro. Oh my god, that is turbo. No, I was gonna say turbo lag. That's foreplay.
Yeah.
Right there, that is the epitome of foreplay, bro. Because like your foot was right down, and the gear ratios are so long too.
It does nothing under 4 grand. Like it is dead. I think we looked on the dyno graph. It makes 100 horsepower at like 3,700 RPM. Like it is dead.
Cool. All right. So you're gonna drive flat shift this time, yeah? All right, bro. Third gear. The build. Mate, when that boost comes in, it's unreal. guys, honestly, like, I know I'm out in a lot of fast cars, I say this kind of stuff all the time, but when this boost comes in, and when you're on boost, you like, you're in boost for a while too.
It's got a good range because it's revving to nearly 9,000 RPM. We've still got like a big power band for it.
Oh my god, guys! Honestly, this is this is the most powerful Evo I've ever been in. I'm trying to think of a faster manual car that I've been in.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's up there. There's not a lot. I mean, especially you consider this is still a 2-litre 4-cylinder. There's not a lot of, you know, like mid 2000s like raw proper cars like this at this sort of power level.
Guys, honestly, wow. New respect for Evos. I've never felt one like this, man.
It's nice going.
Second gear.
His name's Will Pegley.
Will Pegley?
Will Pegley.
Pegley, you are the man. What you have here is unreal. Shout out, bro. Shout out to Devil Developments. Shout out to Sidenex. Shout out to Race Cow. This is incredible.
Yeah, it's a proper car. This.
Like, don't get me wrong, a little bit of turbo lag.
Yeah.
But once it's on song.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Honestly, mad, guys, mad. Love it, absolutely love it. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. I've been trying to think off camera, like, what's the fastest manual H-pattern car I've been in? I know I've been in some crazy power cars, and apologies guys if you can remember one crazier or more power, but this one has got to be right up there.
Yeah.
It's right up there. Another question would be, is it faster than my Teg? At this moment now, I don't know, because my Teg now runs new power. I haven't driven it, but definitely faster than its previous revision, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So it's amazing. Honestly, shout out to Matt. Was it?
Will.
Will. I've called him Simon today off camera. I've called him everything. Okay, cool. Shout out to Will. Yeah, man, you're a legend, and everyone involved in this is crazy. And thank you again for letting me drive it. Before we get into it, guys, if you're looking for good modified car insurance, the kind of insurer that's going to look after you if you have an accident or something like that, guaranteed value of the car, etc., etc. An insurer that doesn't just kind of do modified car insurance on the side, but they live and breathe it. So what I'm getting to is check the links in the description, check them out, give them a shout. There's a number there. Check it out. We're here to bring you good insurance deals. Yeah, I'm kind of all over the place after that run. Sorry guys if I'm waffling, but should we get into it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, cool. Here we go, second. All right, cool.
Here we go.
All right, ready? Jesus Christ. Wow. Bro, that's mad. Yeah. Once it's in its sweet spot, man, it's on song. It's so boosty. And the revs do, like, it revs for a long time, but they climb up on you quick there. I hit redline a little bit in second. Wow, bro, guys, this is sick.
2.65 bar we're hitting there.
No way, 2.65 bar, guys. All right, second gear again. Let's get into it. Oh my God. It's fourth gear.
Yeah.
That fourth gear is it's like
it just keeps getting faster and faster.
Oh my God. Bro, this car boogies.
Yeah.
This car gets down. Oh my God. Wow. It's the note of it too.
It screams.
Bro, it's something
screams.
about a 2-litre high-power car, man. Guys, honestly, man, I hope it's I hope you're getting what we're feeling right now, basically. But wow. Yeah, this is yeah, I want one.
Yeah.
I want one. Alright guys, so obviously I don't wanna take the piss, this isn't my car, the owner's not even here. Massive shout out to the owner once again. We're gonna do one more pull, because why not? We're in a 900 brake horsepower Evo on spicy fuel. It's only right for the culture. So let's drop it down to second. Get another second. Alright, here we go. That fourth gear. That fourth gear is the killer. That is when everyone's getting gapped.
Yeah.
That fourth gear is game over. Honestly, what an experience. What an experience. What a car. This for me is what the channel's about.
Yeah.
This is what, you know, I commend people who do these kind of builds, man.
Yeah.
That is my dose of craziness for the day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'll sleep well tonight.
That'll do me for the day. I think so, yeah.
All right, guys, so we're going to end the video here. Today's been an absolutely epic one. A proper improvised day too.
Yeah, not planned. We're lucky we still had the car here today. It's getting back soon, so yeah, good bit of fun.
Yeah, and you know, sometimes they are the best ones. What a treat. Like, I wasn't expecting it. Usually I got my game face on, I'm ready to go in a fast car. Today it was like, wow, this is here, let's go. And man, it really caught me by surprise. This, like, honestly, like, guys, I'm not trying to overgas it. Hopefully you can see it through the screen, and also you can imagine a 900 brake horsepower Evo on spicy fuel is no joke. Yeah, really blown my mind. So once again, a thank you, big thank you to Will. I was going to call him Matt. Will, and yeah, a massive thank you to yourself, Jamie, for taking me out. And obviously a massive shout out to Devil Development, Cyvex, everyone involved. If people want to know a little bit more about the car or where.
Yeah, so Will's personal Instagram, you can find the car through the Devil's Instagram. Yeah. It's been on our stories, and it will be again in the future. We'll do some more things, so just keep an eye out on the Devil's socials, and cool. Yeah, you'll see the car pop back up. Wicked. All right, guys, well, check out Devils, and yeah, if you have enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace out.